Hello and welcome to Fluentlingua. I'm Dharmendra Sheth from Surat. This video is to give you information about a special workshop that we have designed for you. The title of the workshop is 7 Ways to Improve Your Speech in English. It's a 3-hour workshop, and in this workshop we are going to discuss 7 important ways, practical ways, using which you can improve your spoken English. The first is diction. The choice of words, using the right words and phrases to express meaning, so that there is no discrepancy between what you want to say and what you actually say. Second is enunciation. Pronouncing words clearly and carefully so that people don't stare at you in total or partial incomprehension. The third is prosody. As you know, every language has its own music, and it is important to learn the rhythm and intonation of the English language. The fourth is coherence. When you speak, you have hundreds and thousands of ideas, but you cannot throw ideas at your listeners. You have to give them a proper shape. You have to connect the dots. Here, thoughts. The next is non-verbal communication. Now here, I am not just talking about gesture and posture and facial expressions. I am talking about pause, volume, the pitch of your voice. All these things play an important role in communication. The next is style. When you put your heart and soul into what you are saying, you develop your individual style. And people, listeners, they will immediately notice, and because of that, they will have trust in what you say. Last but not least, a call to action. Towards the end of the workshop, we will try to find out what models of speech are available to us, what strategies we can use, and how you can continue practicing English so that you improve every day. If you want more information about this workshop or any other program that we conduct, please visit our website www.fluentlingua.com. You can also send an email to us at fluentlingua@gmail.com. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please share it with others if you like. I look forward to working with you. Thank you.